Hi, this is John again, your horticulturist, and we're looking at this area here because these hedges are being maintained at a height that is really not safe. And you can see, like right in here behind this wall, this would be a perfect area for someone to hide, possibly with bad intentions. You know, this area in here, there's really no purpose of having these hedges so high, other than they've just been allowed to grow too tall over time. But you know, like a 2.5 foot would be much better, because you'll still have some plant material here, but you know, this area back here too, just not something I would really say is a safe condition, because even coyotes could nest under here, jump out when you're walking your dog in the evening or early morning. So for security, this is something that really should be looked at. And for minimal cost with your landscape provider, you know, they can come in and cut this. This wouldn't be part of your normal maintenance charge. This is an extra, but well worth any amount of money.
Would it also consume less water as well if it's shorter?
It might not save you see any realistic savings in water, but just for security, this would be more of just a security, not necessarily a horticultural type of suggestion. But how do you put a price on people's safety?
Yeah.